Your home is where you and your family live, play, and relax. It is a place of comfort, and it's where you feel safe. But the air you're breathing may not be. Our homes are filled with invisible airborne contaminants. Normal household filters are only effective at removing the largest airborne particles. For each large particle that a typical air filter might capture, there are millions of other smaller particles that it can't, including microscopically small pathogens such as bacteria and viruses, and hundreds of airborne chemical compounds. These contaminants will be inhaled deep into the lungs and even the brain. From there, they are transported to every organ of the body. Doctors and scientists agree it's these smallest contaminants that are the greatest threat to our health. The problem with removing the smallest airborne contaminants is they are unaffected by normal air movement in the home, and they remain suspended in the air like fruit in gelatin. There they stay unless something is done to remove them. But Secure Aire works differently. Developed for demanding cleanroom and hospital operating room environments, Secure Aire's active particle control technology has proven its ability to safely capture and destroy airborne particles, pathogens, and chemical compounds. Secure Aire's active particle control begins removing airborne contaminants from every room in your home. These contaminants are brought back to the air purification cartridge, where they are captured. The pathogens are inactivated and killed, and chemical compounds are broken down into harmless basic elements. Those airborne particles that avoid capture are reconditioned and sent back into the home to act like microscopic magnets and sponges, attracting and absorbing airborne contaminants and returning them to the air purifier for removal, along with keeping the air that you breathe so much healthier. With Secure Aire, you have the peace of mind knowing that your air purification system is constantly at work, protecting you and your family with the safest, healthiest, and cleanest air possible today.